Okay, it's back at 30, I hope. Let me know what you see. Oh yeah! It's that battery. Turbo! Turbo! Teach me how to turbo. Okay, so this will slow down the book builds, but having everybody around. Too much hair? That's incredible. No, there's way more than you can imagine. Damn hat ain't on right. Wait, this will work for you. No, I can't see. I'm sorry, I tried. I'll do it this way. You can all enjoy the big A. You're really picking on me. Yes, so we were back to diagramming how things work in Sonos. So this is the original. Need to copy this slide. The two you bought with Jesse's node proxy. Second worst state. No comment there. Now we need V3 Lita with the proxy. So what we want to do here is Lita. We need a special shape here for Lita. Lita has a bow on her head because I've always imagined Lita's female name. Send to back. Okay, cool. So it's gonna be less evil. So yeah, there is a Sonos at the office. I can build it all out. Hey, if you guys need to moderate each other, feel free. Welcome back, Ben. Okay, doing good, doing good. Nice, go Bryce. Okay. Stream is running. Apparently the millions of, 30 frames does it. Okay, thanks everybody. So I'm still looking at buying this thing. BRB stand up. Yeah, so this won't exactly break the bank, but I'm not entirely sure it'll help. It'd be pretty cool if I had 60 frames, could plug in a real microphone and whatchamacallit. Yeah, see, look at all that. Amazing, I could do these things. I don't know, I'm not quite at the point where I need to spend $1 million on this. What I am going to do is figure out how to make Jesse's proxy work with my machine and with Lita. So first, let's see if Lita ever does WebSockets. If not, what's next? Figure out how to do a WebSocket with Lita. The last time I did WebSockets with Lita, FlowDoc, gross. Are we actually socketing here? No. Sock. Okay. Lita Slack. Do we really have sockets? Okay, great. This is the one. Alright, here we go, everybody. Lita handler. Wait, is it the handler? Crap. What is it? What is it? Lita handler, Sonos, Commander. Travis, Simple Cove, Badges, D. Pritchett. Sonos. Alright, so we need to add this gem here. What's the latest? I've seen this last week and it seemed like a good idea. Bay WebSocket 010.7. Yes. Cool. Yeah, have to do this every time. Control your Sonos with Lita Chatbot commands. I just vimmed it. Oh, didn't quite vim it all the way, but I'm happy. GitHub.com, Twitch it, Lita Sonos Commander. Do I have an MIT license anywhere? License. Oh man. I need to put the license everywhere, but whatever. Yeah, we have a license. I'm not going to be building the book for a while. It's going to be plain coding for hours probably. That's enough for now. Wait a minute. No. Make the linter happy. And replace the double quotes with single quotes because it's important to let linters slow me down while I'm doing work. Did it wake anything? Still mad, huh? Still mad. Don't forget to require it. Input record separator. I don't even know what that means, and today is not the day. So, now I'm going to figure out how to start my test implementation. So the reason we're doing WebSockets is back to the firewall map here. The idea is that this is more of a one-way connection. Excuse me. How? What? I'm not sure what to do about the music. What to do about the music. Chip tunes were a little less distracting. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Ugh. Oh well, so anyway, the idea is that the chatbot doesn't need to poke a hole in the firewall. Like, let's say if the Sonos was running a daemon locally in your office. Oh yeah, Cafe HD. Yeah, that's my favorite too, man. Nope, that's the wrong one altogether. Need a good shape. HR secrets. So the idea here is that we're behind the firewall and we don't want Lita to be coming in the wrong way. Oh, I did it backwards. I'm so bad. Okay, so yeah, this is going to call out to Lita, and Lita's not going to call back into it. It's just going to be... I really can't deal with this. How much CPU are we using? Okay, it's only up to 65%. It's not crazy. Remember to hydrate, everyone. Anyway, someone taught me into buying this. It's only $160 for a problem I may or may not even have. How's the stream looking now? It seems fine to me, y'all. Good job, Bryce. Posting that Memphis PHP. Can't believe it's passed on to its third host. Ben and I used to try to talk about getting Joe Ferguson on to the podcast. But We didn't, and now Joe's not the PHP user group guy. I guess he's still PHP famous though. Alright, yeah, let's just do this. Can I make that happen in a Lita context? Why not, right? I just realized, yeah. Oh no. No. Someone call George. Yeah, so this stream is not marked as being inappropriate for kids. I don't know what to do about that. I think maybe y'all are, I don't know. Do I need kids? Do kids even do chatbots? Who cares? We'll worry about that later. Ben? You did this. Yeah, I need to turn that off because it's messing with me. Keyboard? I don't even know, man. Captions? Where was I? Speech? Ben! What happened? Ah! I can't deal with it. Ben! No, sorry everybody. I failed. I couldn't deal. But how do I, oh, here's Rocket. Rocket, go home. Quit Rocket, that's it? Okay, quit Rocket. Yeah, I really don't know what's going to happen here at all, so I'm just going to put Pry in. Wait, Pry is a terrible idea inside of an event loop. On message. How in the world? Read the docs? Using the client. I'm a server, right? Wait. Am I the server? Who's the server and who's the client? I feel like I'm the server. Keyboard URL. This is the server? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So Lita's gonna run a server, and that's fine. I need to. Oh yeah, I need to figure out how to make this work independent of a Lita context. So. Fay. Prototype. Net. Install Fay WebSocket. What the hell is wrong with me? Fay WebSocket. Isn't this calm? I'm going to update what happened. Nearing the end of hour 2. We finished chapter, paste bin, and now for coding, trying to make Sonos integrate with the reader. We can do it. Robot face. Boop. Thank you, bot. What? What? Yeah, great. Title. I'm gonna skip ahead to hour 3 here. Chatbot. Sonos chatbot integration. That's probably gonna take all this, so just go ahead and sample use of a WebSocket. Add Fay to Lita. Connect to Fay from Jesse Proxy. That reminds me. Whoa, I got too many apps open. That one's done. Ready to ship. Draw the rest of the album. Yeah, we already have a checklist. That's good for now. Bum, 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 bum. Right. Client and server. Oh, okay. Type server.rb. Didn't I have this one in the buffer? Guess not. Movie. Do I need to put this in? Yeah, it's rack. Okay. What did they do? Now slash thing. Of course, it's not finding it. Do I need to put this inside of a Fay app? No. I don't have it configured. Come on. Where's the config? Sad, sad, sad. Anyone? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I need a file. Goliath? Heck is Goliath? Non-blocking Ruby web server. Oh crap! I forgot Libra's already running web server. What are we using? We should probably read that, see what's in there before I start trying to bang around too far. HTTP route. regular chat. Rack app, is this it? Beep, 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 beep. Now I've forgotten. Is Rack actually? Okay, it is a web server. Great. Oh yeah. Could I run a separate one? Handlers. So the idea is to start this up. Uh-oh. Am I in over my head? What we got all day? Adding WebSockets to Lita. Maybe that's just a thing. It's just a separate thread, I guess, that's running inside. Yeah. Right. You can make this work by integrating it into whatever we're doing here. Maybe that's the magic. That should read up on Rack. Modular Ruby web server interface. Saw thin. Rack, thin. Are we using any of those here? Check the gem spec. Faraday router Puma. It's built in with Puma. Okay. WebSocket Puma. Wait, no, I'm right here. Puma? Okay. We're making some progress. Touch notes text. Faye is the target WebSocket integration. Lita uses Puma. Faye supports Puma. Also uses backup. Faye starts with backup. Let me see if I'm missing something here. It's almost time for another cup of coffee. I have an idea. If I open the door, Norbert will come in now. Hold up. Hey, Brian. Hey, Norbert. Hello. Okay, yeah, here you go. Have fun. Now Norbert gets to watch the flooding. Out the door there. Pretty cool. I have no idea if that's visible. No, can't see. Anyway, there's the door, and there's Norbert sneaking around, enjoying the weather. Cool. I can't believe you told me about my hair on the TV over and over again. What's wrong, Jesse? Yeah, it's pretty mind-bending. Just needed to see if the door dog were visible. Oh well, I need a taller dog for Twitch. Where's Mosby been? Where's Mosby been? Lita. I'm gonna look and see who else has done Lita stuff. Lita plugins. There's a whole list of plugins out there. Somewhere. Oh, that's dumb. Running your what if I didn't use Rack Up? Let's use Puma. Maybe I need to look closer at how Lita is doing the routes. Where does it happen? What happens? Maybe where we're doing it. Okay. Wait, no, it's just. Do I even need to call it? Hi, Joe. Welcome to the stream. Ben and I were just talking about how we wanted you on the podcast a long time ago and never made it happen. And now you're not running the local PHP group, but you're still cool. Ruby server. Yes. Would you like to talk on the podcast? I think the original idea was something like running user groups. You might have something more specific to talk about, like community engagement, running vagrants for 1 billion people. I don't know, man. Hi, Supernova. Thank you. Being hosted. Right. Via server. Require private. Never mind. Okay. Am I listening on a... Where does it go? Doesn't it need a port? Someone explain to me where Faye is listening. I have no idea. I mean, it's gotta be somewhere, right? Maybe it's not because I'm not using Rack. Need to listen. Maybe it's that simple. All right. Let's try to put this in Lita after all. Come on, don't wait. Do we have this open in Vim yet? Yeah. Let's just do the routes the usual way. My timesheet's out of date, y'all. Come on. Route. Sonos. Wait, no, it's an HTTP route, which was a different proposition altogether. That was the Alexa skill. Alexa news recorder. Someone in here. Yeah. We'll do that. Do we know? Get. Sonos. Listen. Connector. Got Sonos. Connector. Thanks, bot. Alright. Rack response. Play WebSocket new. There's a loop, right? Rack response. Anything new happened on this? Yeah. You get a haircut. You're a hit. Wait, what's the port even? Data ports. I've really lost my marbles here. 8080. Okay. Local host 8080. Cool. Where did we say it was going to be? Sonos listen. Do do do. Cool. So we need to pass some things here. Wait, what do we pass? Damn. We need to find the Alexa stuff. Let's keep it out of the way here. Request response. Oh, okay. Sure, why not? Not sure how that works in WebSocket context. I don't need to know yet. Have to restart it? Oh yeah, it was already running. Yeah. What's going on? Doesn't do anything. I'm so confused. Is it supposed to make a new one every time? Read the docs a little closer. WebSocket implementation. Easily builds servers. Does not provide it, but makes it easy to handle a connection within the existing app. So we're in Puma, right? Let's just make sure Puma's already required. Should be false, right? Okay, Puma's already here. Does it have a status? I'm just gonna assume it's there, it's fine. How do you implement an echo server? Okay. WebSocket handshake will not be complete after you call new. We're getting somewhere, but I dare say we're in a weird place. What if it wasn't WebSockets? What else could it be? WebSockets make sense, but it's not going very quickly here. Okay, event machine. That's a client? WS. I have it here. We actually starting the WebSocket? Was it even happening? Maybe something will happen now. Maybe it wasn't even starting yet. Read a dynamic constant assignment. Okay. How can I tell if it's even running? We'll worry about that later. And this. I feel like for integrated HTTP, maybe I should read that Lita Slap stuff. What are they even doing? Connection. What's RTM even mean? Real-time messaging. Whoops. Yeah, it's just a client though, right? I could make a standalone app as a companion to the bot, because the Sonos doesn't need to talk to the bot. I could just make a standalone WebSocket server and quit screwing around with the Lita parts. Why don't I do that first? Bots need love too. Yes. Does that even work? Yeah, it did work. Okay, new plan. Stop screwing around with Lita directly. Have Lita call the server. Now I'm making two separate daemons just to keep this running. Is that crazy? It's definitely simple on the code front, which is probably acceptable for book purposes. Quick poll. Anybody who thinks doing it as a standalone is a terrible idea, Tell me now. Is it reasonable to put all the WebSocket mojos somewhere other than Lita? Then have Lita talk to an intermediate server. I don't know, I didn't have to do that with Hubot, but Hubot was running Node all along. App.rv. What if you didn't set up a config.room? Should have used Node. So I didn't use Node to write this book because I wanted to finish it before I died. And I figured doing the work of writing the book would go a lot faster if I used Ruby, which was all fine until I got to this point. I could table this whole chapter and keep thinking in the back of my mind about a good architecture for talking to the Sonos. I know, right? I want you to take a look at some of the beautiful tests in this book. Giggles. Yeah, tests. Let's see. Which chapter has good tests? Oh yeah, the Brad chapter has good tests. What's Brad eating? Come on, what's Brad eating? Brad. Parse a photo blog. What's Brad eating? Alright. We heard. Oh! Yes, exactly. Could have used a sidebar in that last tiny chapter. That would have made it look a little fluffier. Okay, check it out. Here's some tests that I would have really loved to have in Hubot. When I say this, wait, no, I'm not even reading the code on the screen. There are route tests, but anyway, this is just saying I can pull down some HTML, can parse out the image, parse out the caption. Do I have a route test? Yeah, here we say, when I ask Lita what's Brad eating, it actually works. That's cool. Something I never knew how to do in Hubot. It's probably possible, but Lita makes it simple, or at least expected and understand it from the beginning. Plus, you know, Ruby, hooray. Anyway, that's why I stuck with this. LOL nodes. Okay. WebSocket rack. Puma. Is there an examples folder? There is an examples folder. Wow. Here's a config room. Run app. Just wait a minute. Does the bot have a config room? Case engine, when Goliath, when Puma. Events equals Puma. Puma server new. Shit. A whole separate Puma server? Could I do that? Wouldn't that be a different port? I don't want that. Add WebSockets to Puma service. I need to do this without breaking the existing thing. Yes. Save a proxy. Middleware. Yeah, man. Maybe I need Fay in general, and not just Fay WebSocket. James. This all makes sense. Does this make more sense? Thanks. Really need something here that will work. Now, for my computer, I bought this laptop stand on Amazon, and it's not quite as big as the laptop. So whenever I shake the desk, it's like it falls onto the ground. But so far, I'm good. Okay, socket. I really need something to help me follow this. Did I see all of the keywords right here? Yes. Thank you, Heroku. Add fatal leader. Yeah, that's where we are, right? I agree. Everyone. Oops, some tweet. Current live coding status, struggling to integrate WebSockets with an existing Chatbot framework that includes built-in human server. Need to start tagging some people. Nope, never mind. Hopefully this Roku example will help. Yes, there's before I had to hack it. Should have mentioned this. Cannot type today. The stream is what, the Grimace? Yeah, especially when I'm listening to certain music. Just for you, we're gonna get right back on it. Are we playing that? Yeah. Okay. Hi everyone. Grimace emoji. My face when this music comes on. Well, if I'm gritting my teeth, it's probably bad. Wait a minute, what? It just... Oh, I skipped all the code. Create a WebSocket app. Functionality. Simple chat app. Opens a WebSocket to the backend. Send it to the server. Where's the server, man? Okay, here's the backend. Yeah, okay. How is this? I'm really surprised this is on the Twitch whitelist. Doesn't get turned off for being too awesome, but whatever. It's pretty fun. Alright, so middleware's chat backend. I don't know if I can dance that much knowing that there's a crowd. Alright, the call method. Who's calling the call method? We have chat backend. App.call. WebSocket initialize. Yeah. Who's calling the middleware, man? Sinatra. I don't know the words, man. I mean, I know a couple of them. Alright, I will look around on Twitch FM to see if there's any good karaoke available. It's possible there's some rap that was made in the last, I don't know, before the last decade. Nope, I'm old. Literally don't know any of these songs because I only listen to rap made in the 90s. Aesop. Oh, okay. We're sorted by artist. Atmosphere, Brother Ali. I've at least heard of the first one. Aesop? What were y'all saying? I'd have to look it up. Tip. Tone. Yes. I don't know if I can do it. I'd have to turn off the webcam, you know, to really get into it. Where are we now? Yeah, I think we got through it already. If we get another verse, I'll be sure to tab back and make it happen. Alright, so Sinatra does... Wait, what? What? Class app renders an ERB, but how does that... How? Require middlewares. Local execution. This is the rule. Okay. Run. Oh, crap. But what if... I'm going to keep looking for some music I recognize. I don't know any of that. Sorry, y'all. No copyright sounds. Literally don't know any of these bands. If I could figure out a way to play things I heard of. This is all James. Indie. I may not be hip enough for indie. Fever, Pioneer. I don't know, y'all. Might have to go back to chiptunes. You know you like it. Adventures? Sorry, y'all. Fixed? Isn't this the one that was too hip for me before? Yeah. Alright, we're going to deal with that for now. I will do some karaoke later. Alright, so Puma Fay WebSocket integration. That is the key, right? Rack.hijack. Is that just a Puma link? Yeah. So we're in Puma, but how do we do it? What goes on the configure? Doodly doo. Listen, Puma. Echo server. Win Puma. Alright, what's happening here? Puma. Engine is RGB. So we ran Puma, and then what happens? This just happens, okay. What if I throw all this in there? But it's a new server! Wait, would that work if I proxied it? How does this work? Puma binder, advanced binder parse app. We already have app. Do we have app? We don't want a new Puma server. Server.run.join. Server run join. Yes, except part where I can't do a WebSocket. What were we doing? We were checking binder. Is that it? Server.binder, server.run. Oops. A second web service will make it easy-ish. Because then at least... Alright, we're going to do straight up Puma integration with nothing else for now. Puma demo. What could go wrong, right? What are we missing? Failure prototype app. Music it app. Okay, there's an app right here. Thin? Why do you use thin? Alright. They wanted me to do a Puma, which was as simple as this. Vim is awesome. No fade? How am I going to deal without a configure? Examples. Why is it thin again? Can't find Puma? Come on. Does Puma not need to load an adapter? Okay. Okay. Hello? That's something? Alright. It has a socket, it says hello, but I don't know if it's a socket. That's what's coming in? So alright, cool. I know, right? I need to go to the bathroom real bad, thanks to that bot. I need to get another cup of coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna get more coffee. Be right back. Be 5 minutes. It is now 10:30 Central. Got snacks. Have a pear. And 2-day-old cold slice of Domino's Supreme Pizza. But I wanted y'all to see yeah, sure. Let me see the live view from the front door. Is that even possible? Should be able to get a live view. Oh well. Yeah. Don't y'all feel safer now? hopefully, it showed up on my phone. I don't know. Someone is at the front door. Oh no, my Touch ID is broken. Definitely robbed. Too bad. You're right. I was wrong. There's no safety. Did not realize that the web wouldn't give me the live view. But at least there's that, right? Yeah. Okay, well you can't see it. So just know that we've got a security dog in the camera. The coffee's ready. Now it's time to figure out the web sockets. So, to recap, I think we have a Fey WebSocket server listening on Puma, which is cool. The part where I opened the door was loud? Yeah. It's pretty crazy. Sorry, Jesse. You okay? Hey, Norbert. Norbert is jealous. Norbert, say hi to the stream. But don't be sad, Jesse, when I switch to see if we're visible. Yeah, this is Norbert. He was climbing on me, wanting some attention. Yeah, buddy. Okay. You can stay by the front door. Oh no, he's got the headphones. Oh no, oh no. Bye, buddy. Alright, we have the server running. I'm going to make a Trello board for this project. Y'all are so lucky. How to Trello. Daniel's day board. Can I minimize these things? No. Alright. New day board. Live stream to-do board. Yes. iHeartSifter. To-do. Done. Ship that Pastebin chapter. Turn my hat around 10 times. Hydrate. Set up a Fey WebSocket server. Send a message to Fey. Prove it with puts. Okay, yeah. After we get that done, we're gonna integrate Fey with Sonos proxy, stretch goal, move Fey. Yeah, I should invite people to the board. Anybody who wants to get on this Trello, let me know. Into Lita's Puma server. Under Puma. Alright. Did I fail? I failed. In progress. Shelves. Alright, here we are. We have to send it. Holy shit, that was loud. Doo-doo-doo. Here, boom is happening. Alright, I'm gonna sit on that for a minute. Go door. Okay. Back to the examples, yes. And the pizza. Per message deflate? What does that mean? Why would I do something like that? Alright. There it is. underscore. What is this music? We're on 92, right? Fine. Metamorphosis by Blues Stolly. URL is 0, proxy is 1. Do I have to have a proxy? No, I'm confused. Yeah. Oh, he wants a new name. What's the deal, man? Where is the thing? That Coglin knows how to do this. I actually follow that guy on Twitter. I wonder. Probably not in the mood to do fade today, but whatever. Can't hurt to say hi. Alright, why do I have a proxy? Origin is proxy. Huh. Did someone actually know? They usually at least acknowledge it with a fave. James here probably has, I don't know, 1 billion followers. And, no, 254. What? Son of a... James! Oh, he's so sneaky. He has another Twitter account that I follow. Brace yourselves to see my Twitter likes. To get blue on here. What? I like Kanye West. We will see his face from here a few days ago. No, I think he is hiding because he doesn't want people doing what I just did. See? Yeah. I mean, I feel like I should take this as a sign that he doesn't want me hassling him. Should I hit or... Huh. I'm gonna let it be for now. Anyway, protocol. things are happening. We have some internet. No. What happens if I try to run it when the server's turned off? It should fail, right? Cool. Oh. So it seems to have at least proven that things are happening. What was I running? The Puma part. Sorry, the configure is not helping. Jeez, just fine. Fine. Anyway, we're supposed to respond, right? On message, send event data. I'd like to prove that messages can happen. Okay. I think it's just echoing, right? Received. Yeah. On open. Now, what if I do a stupid loop? Cool. Sleep 2. Wait, what was in the event data anyway? That's it? Okay. Follow up message. That. This music is, I don't know, man. I guess I used to listen to Limp Bizkit 20 years ago. Now I'm being cool again. Then again. No. No. Ahaha! Okay, good. We are doing shit. Yes. Now, we got a fork in the road. Choose. Do we A, integrate the Sonos proxy like we planned to all along? Or B, try and shoehorn Faye back into Lita's Puma server. My money is on B because the Sonos, I don't have a Sonos here, and feels like that's going to get confusing pretty quick building against APIs and docs and things. I don't know. Let's look at Jesse's code for a second and see. Okay, Harold, are you on the stream? The goal is to not have to expose an HTTP port on the home firewall just for the chatbot to reach into it. With WebSockets, the home Sonos proxy daemon can call out to the public chatbot when it is ready. We do it at work, but with QBot, so it's node on both ends. It may not be up to the task, but we're working on it. Harold. Well, yours actually works. If you remember correctly, my original one was using some stupid Ruby, like proof of concept, Sonos. Yeah, this code did not work. Like, I mean, technically it kind of sort of worked, but it wasn't the sort of thing you could turn your back on for more than 5 minutes because it was just a prototype piece of crap. All because I used this because I was feeling simple, but it turned out to be terrible. Whereas whatever libraries you used or proxy code you stole, ngrok, what? WebSockets. Yeah, you did fork it. Thanks, man. But you also cleaned it up a little bit. I got to figure out what to use for the book. Is it copying your code directly? No, I might have to get a approval from you, whoever wrote the original. Are you suggesting I use WebSocket to ngrok 24/7 or dev, or is there vulnerability warning? Yeah, using it in dev makes sense. I mean, I'm running all the servers locally anyway. It's just that I don't have the Sonos in a cool place. I might just go into the office sometime when no one else is around so I can directly connect to that Sonos. GitHub says your code is a bag. Well, yeah. What does GitHub have against my code? Where'd it go? I lost it. GitHub, RB, Sonos. What did it have against it? Was it oh yeah, vulnerable. Let's see, you guys are gonna hack me. Oh boy. Nokogiri is vulnerable! Crap, there's not even any XML happening there. Yes. It is pretty weird to hear @DeepRichard is live coding all day, speaking what he's typing out, and then seeing it in Slack. I agree. Sorry I did that to you. Okay, within the server, Lita, WebSocket, Sonos, rationale. Yeah. You know, this will be, that's good PR, right? Current live stream status. Ugh, I can't even, because I'm old. Are we in hour 4 yet? We could call this hour 4. 9, 10, 11. I can't count. 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. Okay, yeah, hour 4. What's happening in hour 4? Title, hour 4. Sonos Chatbot, web socket, hackathon. Please help. Not like this. Okay, we are happy. Oh, by the way, if any of you are on Twitch regularly and not already doing this, there's a button somewhere around here to follow this channel. That will supposedly make Twitch more useful to me and to you once this has more than like 3 followers, so hit me up, I'd appreciate it. I don't even know what the point of gathering them is, but Twitch is leading me down this path of amassing followers and views and things, and supposedly one day John can give me a nickel. I think that's the goal. If you're still here, John, what happens when I get to be an affiliate or something? Do I get a fraction of to buy coffee? I've never used my crown from Prime to sub to anyone. Yes, I'm chatting. 15 though, that's cool. Welcome new followers. Biggles and Panini. Do I know Panini? Does anyone know Panini? I guess not. Anyway, welcome Panini. So here we've got the socket. Done. Integrate phase sockets with Lita. Let's time box this for an hour. If we haven't finished it by noon, we're gonna just go on. Cool, Jesse. Have fun at your meeting, man. Thanks for stopping by. Alright. Before noon central, make Faye work with Lita or move to standalone base server. Okay, that's a good goal. Wish I had a cool countdown clock. We'll be fine. No, overkill. Is this helping at all? He was doing some Sinatra magic. Back middleware is a thing. Maybe that's my missing piece. Railscast. Arrgh. Could really use the readme instead. Middleware. Okay. Let's just check Lita. See if there's middleware anywhere in the code base. Middleware. The guy who made Lita is really in love with Rust now. Yeah, yeah! Oh yeah! Router. I don't think so. You're thinking this guy. Gary. No, I don't think he's Railscast. He's Destroy All Software. Anyway, he's pretty cool. Hi, Gary. Unless you like CSS, in which case maybe he's not cool. Oh, sorry about that. This is promising. Push. Adds a middleware. Yes. Yeah, probably. You mean because he hates CSS? And his arguments weren't very persuasive to a CSS fan? Yes, hit me up on Twitter. People are talking in the Go channel? This never happens. Huh, wait a minute, what? Package version. Yeah, that'd be good. That'd be very good. Okay, Twitch people, y'all should say hi. And if you know how to solve these problems, definitely speak up. All right. So my new goal is to figure out use Node. I cannot switch the whole book to Node when I'm already past the halfway point. But I will be here on Tuesday. Monday. Taking the whole day off on Monday to continue doing this. I really hope we're not still staring at this same bit of code then. That's why we're time boxing, right? Okay, so we want to see how to do a Lita middleware. Okay. Lita middleware registry push. Okay. So let's search for uses of middleware registry. Default config. That's not a very maybe that is cool. All right. Let's jump into the commander. Bundle. We still have prize here? Yeah. Bundle exact Lita. Carl. Are we still here? Okay, is GitHub telling you your code is shit? Probably. Oh yeah, this isn't even mine. This is Lita itself. But yeah, I think it means that they've got the code climate. Yeah, if you've got code climate on your GitHub repo and the code climate extension here, you can get regular reminders of your shortcomings as a professional. But Jimmy here has built Lita, which is really big, and he's moved on to greener pastures, writing blog posts about Rust, I guess. So I'm not really going to bother him about maintaining Lita. Sometimes I daydream about maintaining Lita myself, but it seems like a lot of work. I don't want it to die, because the book sort of needs it. Whoa! Someone's slacking me. Oh, thanks, yeah. Forgot Supernova was hosting me. Good old Joe. Thanks, everybody. Especially thanks, Joe, and everyone who's following and paying attention. Especially appreciate Biggles chatting so hard. Don't know what we'd do without that. Alright, we have middleware. Config middleware. Middleware registry. Okay, config. ls config. Config.middleware. Lita. Lita.config.middleware. I can't spell. Obviously, this is trying to be a chatbot. I'm so sad. HTTP config. Alright, it's not going to be good enough, is it? HTTP config. Where are we? We're inside Lita. Default configuration. What'd you say? Damn straight. Yes. Much appreciated. Yeah, we haven't gotten robbed today, but we still could. Top level configuration builder. I just had an evil idea! I could temporarily have a Sphero and return it. Then it would be lame. I don't really do that sort of thing. But if anyone has a Sphero in Memphis and wants to let me borrow it for a few days, I think I could bang out that chapter pretty fast. There's a really cool way to do it. Makes me happy. I already did it once with Chatbot. Oh yeah, Memtech Elvis is a new one. Evlis. Yeah, here's the original Sphero integration, which I'll be copying when the time is right. Haha, what's Brad eating? That's terrible. Anyway, yeah, it just fires up a local labs. I used to have that host name. Anyway, you should check it out if you're curious. Yes, that's the magic of Chatbot. Is it always uses CoffeeScript. Get George to tell you. Tell Biggles about how you did a coffee script with Elvis. Way back when. It is and it isn't. Like, if you're writing 20 lines of code like this, CoffeeScript makes it kind of accessible. If you're building something monstrous, like some of the things I wound up doing in Leader for the book, then having a real, not CoffeeScript approach is probably good. But this is really legible, says the guy who wrote it. So I need to figure out how to get to, oh, it's all private. Registry, okay. Okay, we'll do that. Yeah, we're going to do it with the test instead. We're not going to do it from the runner. Let's get in here. Even. Come on. There we go. The plan here is... I forgot about all this business. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. What we want is... We need 2 routes, don't we? Route... Sonos. We really need is just to find out where we are with the bot. Which one has both? I think it's Amazon again. What have I done? Cool, yeah. I don't care about coveralls right now. These coveralls have been breaking my stuff lately. And that's just too much for me. I'm in too hard right now. Time to refork Elvis. No! You can't make me. Save message. Is that a thing? Oh, yeah, right. My tests are goofy. That's not helping. Expected to route. Here's a get route. Lita, Sonos, Label, Alpha Bravo. Okay, that's good. That is a thing that can happen. Sonos. Does that work here? Cool. Yes. That's something. I don't really care about that, but I do care about describe, explore, it, let's play. Find game.phone, robot, dot, subject, dot send, no. Subject dot export. We had a registry before, didn't we? Alright, now we're going to really have to bang around and see if we can find the middlewares. Oh no! We had middlewares, right? Adapters? Where am I? I'm 4 levels deep! Alright, there are middlewares that could be created. Push LOL. What in the world? Okay! We're deep inside the Lita middleware registry, that's fine. CD robot. CD robot.config. Robot.registry dot config.middle layers. Ah! Getting closer. Alright, can you save that? How do I make a new one? Come on, get out of here. Need a middleware registry. Right. No. Alright, we're doing okay. What else can we do here? Now that we know how to hook into registries, we need to know how to make one. So now we're into middleware registry, I guess. Middleware registry. Didn't even do that. Alright. Stores for that middleware. Okay, Faye claims to be a middleware. Middleware. In dev mode, this adds middlewares. What? Oh. Does it really? How does it add middlewares? Alright, let's go back to our server. And where was it? We're doing Puma demo, right? Oh, why did I just delete that without checking it in or anything? We're good. Wait 2 seconds. Still good. Okay, good. At least we can fail a little bit. Now I can maybe not screw it up so bad. We're not using this client, are we? I think that's everything we need. Okay, so the config just loads up app. But what require file expand path app file? It's just app. How does Puma know? Maybe run app. Okay. A rat middleware. Socket. Okay. How does it work? Try the lobster. Alright. Has anyone ever used this? Okay, is any of this private? I mean public? The only public method is this push. Wait, no, where's it go private? So, oh, crap. API 402. Which read am I on? Okay, I guess that's good. But really, the whole thing is private? Lead them in a web registry. Dagnabbit, it's all private. There is a leader rack app. Okay, maybe that's where I need to be. Rack app, robot router. Okay. Builder. We have the run. We don't have the run. Call. Oh. I could hack the call method, but compile. Interesting. Okay. Oh, snap. Don't give me Nightbot. Can I tell Nightbot to shut up? This channel's not busy enough to worry about spammers. 24 minutes in here. I'm already in. Yeah, we already did this once. Come on. Okay, stuff's happening. Leaders user guide. Not today. I kind of got used to it being a little too high level for what I'm doing here. Rack middleware. Huh. Rack. While using this object. Well. Would it be an adapter, an extension? Nightbot. Can someone tell me how to make Nightbot be nice? Timed out for 5. I'm sorry. If I can figure out how to make the bot. Enabled links, options. What if we just didn't do this? Yeah, so maybe that's not a problem anymore. Nightbot. I don't know who you are, but thank you. You're still here. It is mad. It showed up in IRC before it got deleted. Configuration, middleware, registry. Config HTTP middleware. Call using this object, passing a rat middleware class. Okay. So, just figure out in a Fay example. Under config, what are we doing call? Yeah. All right. So maybe it's just that. All right. So use. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a loaded method. Read up. Okay, cool. Wait, do we have app? We don't have app, do we? Yeah, we do. We are in the middleware. Make sure to help QP. I think we're in a good place. Register Fay. Arguments 0. Uh-oh. Yes, more water. Just over 2 hours. I think you're losing count. Who is QP and why aren't we best friends? Our friend. Let's be buddies, QP. Okay, we're already following. Well, glad you're here. Nope. Alright, so the good news is we're in the thing, right? Now, how do we get it? What are we doing? Call 8080? Doesn't it need a port somewhere? Or does it? It's gonna need some sort of place to go. I guess this is my middleware. Them might even embarrass me. Registry fag, no use. It's probably maybe running. What am I going to do with it? Alright. How does a rat middleware work? Maybe if I look at it. Hello, Jesse. Pretty well. Wrapped up a book chapter this morning. Now I'm brute forcing my way through some WebSocket integrations. I got the socket server client working in isolation. Now we gotta get it to work with the chatbot, per se. Given myself for 1 hour time box part before I do something less elegant. 33 minutes in. Thank you. Okay. What makes it let's say middlewares. What happens with middlewares? Uses any custom middlewares registry. Okay. Oh. There's a new middleware. It does the calls app.call. Does this have a .call method in it? No. Static.call env. You have a WebSocket. Oh, you know what I need to do is read a log level. It couldn't hurt. Read a log level. Output's even working here. Loading. There we go. Next screen pane. Alright. Now we gotta hit 8080, I guess. How? I don't know, man. Can we connect? Maybe that's my problem. I just need to suck it up and assume it's there. Right, let's just imagine it was already there. Are we still going to add the server? What are we calling it? Sonos Listen. Oh, unexpected response code 200. Okay. This is good, man. If it's a socket, why is it not a socket? Else, wait, why? Is it my fault? We're getting somewhere. We touch this without even trying. Okay. I think we're down into WebSocket stuff. Let's do it right here. Probably going to regret that, but life is short. WebSocket. Yeah. Well, unexpected response code 200. Okay. Maybe I need to not register this mess. Like, yeah. Ah, 404. Okay. Do they need parameters, maybe? All right. Lita middleware was here. Yeah. Middleware. Rack builder use. That's right. It takes the same arms. I think maybe I needed to use a certain route, maybe? Use. Oh, geez. Yeah, is that... Ugh. Yeah. I turned off the link spam blocker on night. But not sure how. Then you glad you're here. Please post another link. as a test. Wait, no. I don't care about the Nightbot so much that I care about this working. I can't do Twitch. I tried. There we go. Good. So you're here. How do we make a middleware? Okay. This isn't putting anything. You could do... Can I just write the standard out? Maybe that's my problem. Does this work? Is fade there? Let's just make the Explorer happen whenever we want to. Maybe the middleware is supposed to be new every time, and I don't know how to feel about that. Did I forget how to do a Ruby? Yes. Okay, so this is where I'm confused. This looks like it's starting the middleware new every time. I mean, starting the socket server. Am I crazy in thinking it should stay alive? Let's walk in through our middleware. Keep alive. Yeah, what's the deal with keep alive? Get a new. So, okay, I get that. That makes sense for middleware. You want it to be like a, I don't know, magic functional thing that you just shove some stuff through and you get different stuff on the other end. But I think I need the WebSocket server to actually be running. Is the whole idea that it's, like, let's imagine I had 10 clients connected to the WebSocket server. Where is my registry of those 10 clients? Does it matter at all? Is it just that the server emits? Like, yeah, I don't get where the persistent WebSocket connections stay in this code here. So I just killed it again. Grant. I feel like we're making progress. I might want to extend the time box another hour. I don't feel stuck, I just feel confused. So here, nothing's on, that's fine. This client's definitely getting through. Let's call it Sonos Listen again. Maybe it doesn't respond at all. Okay, let's check Jesse's proxy. Sonos proxy node. Actually, Sonos proxy RB. Where is the client connection code happening? App. Listener. Oh, this is all the, yeah. Well, it's supposed to. This is the server. Bot was the client. This is supposed to connect to the socket server, right? Maybe the problem is that I'm trying to post it instead of, oh, wait, no, that was here before. I have a real client. Fay WebSocket client new. So why does this show up? There's nothing in my server about port, right? Register Fay. These are the middlewares. Is right now. I need it to catch certain stuff and send it to the right place. Maybe if I look closer at one of these. Like that's happening. The client works. The server is trying to be regular HTTP, easier to access via proxies. I don't think that matters. I'm not running a proxy in event source. What is an event source? Only allow the server to send data to the client. That's reasonable, right? Can I get in here, I wonder? No. It's hitting Redis. Gross. Register Fay. Pry, REPL, input lock. I don't really see anything there. That's relevant. Lambda.do env. Is that really? Oh. Okay. Maybe app needs to be defined editor stuff. Does that matter much? I don't think so, but kind of grasping at straws here. Error during WebSocket handshake. Unexpected response code 200. Oh, okay. Maybe. Connector. Maybe I can catch continue. Request. That got call. Okay, that's too much. Too soon. Yeah, got call request. That's something. Alright, so that's new. Maybe I needed to stitch it in directly? But then it's not really middleware if I'm doing it by hand, is it? Request.in. Come on. Can I do that again? I don't think I misspelled it. What? Alright, fine. We're in a WebSocket. We're in a WebSocket. Yes, we are. Ha! Alright. Middlewares. Middlewares.h. We're making progress. 11:55. 500, yeah. Loading handler, registering pay. 67. Yeah, MS isn't a thing. And define call. Middleware registry. Okay. How did we get middlewares wrong? Robot.registry. What about each? Oops, didn't continue. That's what I want to figure out. Yes. Hang on. Come on. Look, it's mad. Somebody must be walking by. Are we getting robbed? $11:58. T-minus 2 minutes to go. Hey, hey, hey! Time to celebrate with some more awesome music. Tiptoeing in my Johns. Oh, yes. Okay, it happened. Sleep 2. We did it. Twitch. Oh no, I'm gonna keep going for a few hours. I told Leela, yeah, so what I was saying about Timebox was I wasn't super confident in this task. I figured I'd beat my head against the wall for an hour and then screw it up and then punt and do it a lazy way with a separate process. But we made it happen, and I think I'm good for another 4 hours. Might take a break here and there, like 5 minutes, but I took all day off to work on this book, and I'm going to do it. We could just play this song on loop forever if it made you feel better. Okay. When you're in a WebSocket, cool. Don't need so much of the debugging output. Wait 2 seconds. Okay, great, great. We now have what we need to do the magic. Vim stuff, ignore swap. We'll use templates. Don't need notes anymore. So happy. Spec helper. Never mind coveralls for now. Okay, I forgot about my bad tests. Git add WebSocket. Oh, you know what we should do is Okay, now we have a client connected to Lita. Get an example. Hello, WebSockets. Did we release this yet? No, we didn't. So, man, that was nuts. Thank you, everyone, especially and Kippy for keeping it moving. Jesse, you're all cool though, including Jesse, John, and Joe, and everyone. This is just so great. Made a lot out of today's session. We've still got hours to go. We might be able to finish the integration, short of actually having a Sonos, you know. Although Jesse could run the client on his end. Anyway, what do we call it? Sonos Commander? Lita, Sonos Commander. We want to do this mess. Jesse could run it. Yeah, man. I'll let you know when we're close. I guess I should just stick to the same API that you used before rather than inventing my own. No, don't want to do any of that. Yes. Cool, man. It is on Ruby Gems right now. Well, it will be in a minute. Great. Let's see how fast the search index is. Oh, man! The Apple's in stereo? What? It's John Lennon! John Lennon! LOL. What was that? I pushed the wrong button because I'm bad at things. Maybe too old to do a Twitter? Hooray! Sonos. It's not the Beatles, it's John Lennon. I don't think that's a real Beatles song, but fine. You can have Cashville. Your favorite place, right? Cashville? Come on now. Let's do that better. Did I forget how to do a screenshot? Maybe it won't let me because I'm... Come on. I screenshot 100 times a day, don't lie to me. Let's do this. Huh, okay, maybe I just can't put an image in a quote tweet. That's fine. Hooray. Lita Sonos Commander is totally gonna work. Thanks to some clutch advice in Twitch chat. Thanks everyone. Let's see how far we can get by Central. Yeah. Yeah. And we even did it without pinging James's secret tweeter. It's happening! It is happening! Chatbots, Lita, WebSockets, Sonos. Don't even know. Yeah. It's funny you should say that. I don't have the best focus, but this is somehow channeling my regular distractions into some sort of synergistic, cross-promoting, talking about what's happening positivity. Usually I would just be picking my nose and reading, I don't know, politics threads on Reddit by now, but since I started Twitch streaming the work, it just channels my distractions right back into making the thing happen. So life is pretty good. Where did we put that thing anyway? Lita Sonos Commander. Why was I opening that up again? Oh yeah. Lita Sonos Commander on GitHub. Lita Sonos Commander on the GitHub. Rocket ship. Wait, what's that thing called? Rocket. Come on, Dan, where's the rocket? Ben. This was cool until it stopped working. Oh well. Rocket emoji. Speaker emoji. What about this emoji? Yes. We're almost where we need to be. Should probably tag this repo as being emoji friendly. But anyway, it's there. Uh-oh, I'm receiving private messages. Time to bring out the phone. Let's see what that private message is. Where is my phone? Private message from Biggles. Hi, it's me, your friend. Leela has a cousin named Roman. Yes, you should totally Twitch. We should Twitch together. Joe hosted me. Wait a minute. Joe hosted me. Do I even have Joe's channel? Twitch, super. I'm definitely going to follow Joe. I don't know if I can host him. Wait. Oh yeah, that's me. What kind of... Joe has 100 videos? I had no idea. If it's gaming... Yeah, man, I don't know. Joe, if you're ever doing live coding, hit me up and... I don't know. Maybe I should just host his gaming when I'm not on. That's a tough call. I've tried to keep my channel coding specific. I figured that'd be more consistent for happy viewers. Anyway, let's see the API for Jesse's code that Jesse wrote all by himself with no help. All Jesse. He doesn't like it when I talk like that. But it's really cool. I like to say that I nerd sniped him by making something terrible. Yeah, I know. It's a live streaming platform for video games. I'm with you. But, I feel like people who subscribe to my channel are here for live coding. And if they want video games, they'll get it elsewhere. Like, how would they... Would it be better or worse to show up and see my channel playing reruns, nothing at all, a countdown until tomorrow's episode, or someone playing video games? I felt like someone playing video games just undermines it, but here's Joe doing that for me. That's pretty cool. Number 2 of programming. Hooray! Yeah, I was talking to some guy who's running a channel yesterday, asking him what his thoughts were on getting big, and he said the longer his streams go, the more people he has on. So I got pretty excited because I'd already planned to take the day off to code hard. And here we are, coding hard. Yeah, fair enough. I'd better... See, that's why I had my stupid hat, you know? I read this article about being cool at Twitch, and it's like, there's this one guy with a pirate hat, everybody loves it. Like, I've got a stupid hat. But I think my hat was too stupid, and not like in an entertaining way, just in a sad way. Code hard. It's Josh! Hi, Josh. If I open up Discord, Josh could talk over the stream, which is a terrible idea, but here we go. If you want to have special guests, Josh and Jesse's voices, then hit them up on Discord. Yeah, everybody made fun of the hat. Alright, where did I put this? It was called Sonos Proxy Node.js. Oh. Or we could Skype, but I don't know. I think Discord's probably more appropriate. You could even dial in with Slack. I don't know if that works with... Can you do video chats? You can do video chats in Slack. Ooh, in general? I'm not going to do that. Yeah, you don't have to guest host. Literal fedora. I have Hawaiian shirts that I briefly considered wearing today, but I went for understated on the shirt front. Anyway, we got the Jesse thing. Darn it. Alright, we need to read the API and make it happen. Don't care about Fry anymore. Send to... Does this matter? Oh yeah, that was the thing that we were going to do later. How are we going to emit things? Now that app exists, we have to emit things on it. Or do we? WS message event. Dun, 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 dun. New Infinity War. Thanks, Jesse. If you want to video chat in on this, let me know, and I will call you right away. Node. Okay, now we're connected to the remote server. That's cool. Need a bookbot. Yeah, settings. It's 80. Sonos listen. Bathroom. Info. It's that song again. You get to a point where I can run and it works from a Sonos. I'll let you call me so you can hear. Oh yeah, I forgot you were at home. I was thinking you meant the office Sonos, which is also cool. But yeah, where are we? Where are the messages, man? Fox News? Great! It's got Fox News, everybody! Somewhere in here is the server, which is listening for events. Playtext, socket on. Okay, socket on, connect. Did we actually connect? Server listening. Yeah, I know, it's pretty exciting, and it's got the Fox News. Lita. It's playing. Don't need to climb anymore. Right, what happens on Connect, connected to server? I'm not seeing that happen, are you? Oh crap. Wait, Socket.io is just regular WebSockets, right? I don't need to run Socket.io on the server side. I hope. Yeah, this is Jesse's Node client. My question is, do I need Socket.io? We have a client connecting. Let's see what happens. Lita doesn't care about that. Did I make it worse? JavaScript for life. Look, y'all, when I finish this book, I will need a new project, and it's either going to be DevOps Magic or JavaScript. And I guess if I wanted to do both, I could do crazy Lambda stuff. But yeah, I'll print it as hard Ruby. It's kind of a crutch at this point. I mean, it's great and I like it, but if I could also be awesome at JavaScript, that'd be nice. Now that everybody's using Babel and the latest JavaScripts where I can do async await and have fewer callbacks and nicer syntax, you know, life could be good if I were focused on that. Register listener, require on connect, socket. So none of this is actually happening, right? Let's see. Could not find file settings.json. Is that bad? I mean, that doesn't seem like a good idea. Presets, looking for speakers. Start up the server. Register listener is happening. Okay. Let's do this. Console.log. Registering listener. For service URL. Alright, now, are we actually connected? Socket.on, connect. So, connect should be happening, right? Unless my stupid server is just... New connection. I have done a JavaScript before, but maybe not as many as I ought to. Looking for speakers, registering listener. Alright, what if... Maybe the fact that I'm screwing with the speakers... Wait, I'm not even doing anything! What if I stop doing that, and I just do the listener? Because I just wanted to deal with the events. Now, why is this not doing things? Remember that time you asked for JS code review? Yes, that's how I felt that day. Okay, we had a listener that worked. Speaking of which, why not have two clients? That happens. Okay, so what is the difference here between this mess? Open, message, close. Open. Is WebSockets causing me trouble here? Open. Opened. Dang, socket. It's really not doing much, is it? I guess I could look up the socket.io client. That's probably required in my yarns. Socket.io client. Okay, cool. Jesse, do I need to be doing socket.io on both ends? Well, no, I mean, shit. No, the proxy dials out to the chatbot because we wanted to only have the firewall reaching out into the world and not the other way around. So you had register listener here. And what that was doing was firing out to the ClearBot, but it actually worked. Speaking of which, let's see how it works in a happy case. Let's just change it to... Did I? Ah, you tricked me. Thanks, Mom. How did that happen? Oh yeah, because I can't copy and paste right. LOL. What happens if you redefine something? See, it connected. Boom, like that. Why? Oh, because I'm not running... Maybe I should stop doing socket.io client. WebSockets, Node.js. Why is Vim... Vim's not hurting me. You're hurting Vim. Be nice to Vim. Okay, let's look at ClearBot. I think ClearBot was actually running socket.io. I thought socket.io was going to be like a transparent layer over WebSockets. Versus WebSockets. But I think it's not. Why, you don't need socket.io. Okay, great. Yeah, I'm running the server locally. It's just... Yeah, I mean, I'm running the sample client, and it connects. I think what's going on is there's some subtly different protocol issue. Like, I don't know. I think maybe the fact that I'm not running socket.io on both ends is problematic. But I don't really need to. I just need WebSockets. What's the difference between the two? I don't need that. Here we go. I need something fresher. WebSockets. Oh, that's crap. Just show me the difference. Let's go to JavaScript. Anyone? Anyone? Yes. Anyone know what, if anything, I'd have to change to integrate a socket.io client with a vanilla WebSockets server? I think I forgot they weren't quite the same. He's searching. No. Researching, no. Socket.io uses WebSockets when it can. Alright, fine. I'm just going to read Socket.io's docs. It's got ports. Do ports matter? Listen port 80. Okay, that's one thing I want to try. Does it matter if I put in the port number? Does that make it better or worse? It's the 80s implied, right? Okay, the port doesn't break it. We were doing 8080 here. Check the server and see if we can get more debug info out of it. WebSocket on, it's doing print. Which part is that anyway? That's the client. Connect. It has open. Is open a thing on the server side? I don't mind if it is. We just not see anything. Well, see, that tracks it. So it's just not coming in. Something is bad here. Could the require socket.io client service URL? Alright. Port. Could it be the port thing? Like, I guess so. Alright. So if we open this, just to check, does that make any difference? Dude, am I even open? I guess I still have to run the bot, don't I? I've got too many tabs, I'm lost. Doesn't like it. Interesting. Interesting. Ngrok is not happy about this. Localhost 8080. Why is that? Well, that's no good. That still works, right? But when I try to Ngrok with the WebSockets, oh, duh! I thought I did that, but I was wrong. Nah! Nope, still no good. Okay. It's not working. Did I have? No. I'm thinking about it though. Node.js WebSocket client. WebSockets. Boom. I think I had a suspicion that the socket.io client was not going to be happy with port 8080, so I wanted to wrap it in ngrok to confirm that I could do a more real-world look and feel. But I was wrong. What if I just replaced it with this? Like, maybe I should just stop screwing around, huh? Alright. To the proxy. Shit was working just fine. Event listener. Wait, do I even need... Oh, it's native. Crazy. Okay. Don't need it. Is everything? Yeah. Let's just assume this is fine. Register listener now is going to be cooler. Socket is... Don't need that, sorry. No. Isn't it built in? Come on. Is it just built into JavaScript? I'm not even going to know the specific thing? API? Which version am I on anyway? 9.4, okay. So... Okay, fine. MDN. Maybe W3 Schools has one. W3 Schools. Thank you, Jesse. You're a step ahead of me on that one. Yep. But seriously, if you had one for W3 Schools, that'd be better. Interprets messages. No! Socket on message. Okay. Example socket. Protocols. Do I need protocols, really? Oh, really? Let's just assume this is good for now. That was the point. I thought you loved W3 Schools. I bet it's got better examples. I'm going to look it up anyway. W3 Schools WebSocket. Oh, they don't even have it. Wait, what? Raspberry Pi? No. Okay, anyway. What if I don't have a protocol? Can be a minute. Yeah. So special with the Indians. Socket. It doesn't have a dot on, does it? What's it have? On open. On message. Does it not have a... Why do I have to do this? Add event listener. Oh, okay. Cool, man. You're the man now. Alright, so this is what we wanted. And we'll refactor it back in later, right? Ah! New WebSocket. Why? Is it not in... Is it just in the browser? Are you sure? Tell me the truth, Jesse. Okay. Maybe that's built in, like you're saying. Well, probably need to do one on the server too. Okay, that's good. Ruby still works. The server. Dagnabbit, I'm about to use Tmux. Listening for an error. Alright. Socket. Events for errors. Okay. A simple event with an error. Oh, okay. Maybe still happy. How many of these? Who's asleep? Oh, really lost the thread here. Okay, that exists, and it waits half a second now instead of 2 seconds. Wait, no, it didn't restart it. Good. Somehow, this needs to be better. Socket. Listen, is there a connect method or something? Yeah, fair enough. Yes. Alright. That's a good point. Why don't I just use the thing? Yeah, I'm not trying to be fancy, just need it to work for the audience, so this one should be fine. Web socket. Well, I don't want to use a browser. I mean, this does have to connect to a daemon here. Client. Using the client. Alright, cool. Thanks, James. That's a question for Von Griffin. Is it actually pronounced demon, diamond, damon? Actually, we'll ask the Linux channel. Draw poll from Twitch. How do you pronounce? I think I just say demon. There's debate. Y'all will know soon enough. Alright. We connected. Oh, did we? Maybe not. What happens when we get in? Thanks, James. I can't even read all this crap I made, did I? Can I? On open? Is it it's not logging anything. It's not a... Oh, because I didn't call it. Duh. I had been programming for long enough to be able to screw things up. We did it, Twitch. We did it, Twitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, cool. Now... Come on. We definitely don't need the socket out anymore. Cool. I love this song, Funky Funky Beats. Yeah. Y'all, yeah, that song is so good. Later, Jesse. Thank you so much. You and whoever reminded me to use the Faye client. Who is QP? Who is this maniac QP? We'd be stuck for several hours longer without your magic docs reading power. Alright, this is about all we need, right? We just need to go through here, figure out what all the messages are. Don't care about any of this junk. I mean, maybe a little bit. WS, yeah. Let's put this URL. Just need to clean out. We don't need those, do we? Who are you? Seriously. person. For helping with primary socket and node suggestions. The rest of you are cool too. Who are you? Who's the stranger? One follower. Alright, I don't really care about the deets. Demons! Damon. Damon. Yeah. A lot of the other people on this stream are people from the town where I live who I've met and worked with in real life. Really glad you're here. This project is proceeding a little bit faster than it would otherwise. And I'm very grateful. Firebase? Not today. Not today. Alright, we just need these handlers. It's just WS, huh? I think that's... Oh, wait. I missed something, didn't I? Why is this just too smart for them, I think? Oh, my fault. How much did we miss? Again? What am I doing wrong here? Can I just not read? This is so nuts. How am I... Function? Is it just bad Vim? It's not just bad Vim. This code doesn't make any sense. Where's Jesse when you need him? Oh well. Let's just do the thing. Could just make the code work, right? I do not understand. How is this stuff supposed to be working? I mean, what? Yeah, exactly. Okay, Josh, you're here. Someone's here. What is going on that all this code that I just copied from down the file does not work? Like, here's a lambda, which is, but we of course welcome people from everywhere because this is the internet. And I'm really glad all these Memphis folks are supporting. Okay. Oh. Like this? You think Vilm's just mad at the interpolated string? I mean, yeah. Okay. There's only 2 Sonos calls, right? Make it any better? Yeah, okay. So now we're about ready to call Jesse's Sonos, aren't we? Hey, Jab. Hey, Jab. We are about ready to try a Sonos connection. So, okay, well, of course not. Don't know how to reconnect. Missing paren after argument list. Oh. Okay. Well, oh wait, the way this is designed is you run my goofy JS proxy inside your LAN and it calls the bot. So I need the bot to be up and dropped, and then publish the code on GitHub for you to pull. But we're not ready for that yet because I need to figure out how to make Lita interactive commands emit Fey events. Yeah, what do you think the delay is? Like 5-10 seconds? I've been looking to alright, I don't know what to say. Let's open the clock. View the clock. It is currently 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Open your clock and tell me how far behind you think you are. But also, I think you can view the video settings to see what the delay is, right? Advanced, video stats. Latency to broadcaster, 20 seconds! Holy crap, is this normal? Am I doing it wrong, or is Twitch just feeling like that? What? Link it to your Sonos, what are you talking about? We were not doing that at work as of days ago. This could, yeah, that's good timing, exactly 20 seconds. But anyway, does anybody know how to shrink it? Is it because of my uploading or what? Like, I'm using this streaming thing called OBS. I don't know if OBS is inherently slow or if it's my Wi-Fi. I have like 4 megabits up, maybe? I forget. Last time I did a test, that was it. Anyway, we're pretty slow. Let's not get too distracted with that right now. Yeah, maybe if I moved to Bartlett, I could have the fibers and be a better streamer. And if I got a Windows machine. Anyway, so if I get this $160 box, makes the streaming faster. Yeah, you know, the delay was probably slower when I wasn't doing 30 frames a second for you guys. I bumped it from 10 to 30 because somebody was complaining this morning, and now we're on the other side of a different bottleneck. What's the Xfinity upload speed? This sounds kind of like Prince. This is amazing. Sunglasses Kid. Thanks. Anybody know how fast my Xfinity could be if I wanted to stream harder? I bet they don't even tell you. They're just like 10 billion gigawatts down. Downloads, downloads, downloads! Internet! Up to 25? What? Xfinity plans near me. Upload. What are you talking about? Download speeds. Alright. Shop offers. Need upload. Up. Of course there's no uploads. There's just other info. Holy crap, they just... I can't even see it. 2 gigawatts. 15 up. Hey Joe. Hey Joe, how fast can you upload on your Comcast? Just bumped my stream from 10 beeps to 30 because people are sad. Now my 30 is on a 20-second delay, and we're wondering if fatter pipes would help. I don't think a video capture card is the answer here, but I could be wrong. I'm often wrong. Alright, I don't think this is a problem that can be solved right this second, but thank you, Comcast. If y'all... Is the chat delayed? Is it synced with what I'm saying? Like, let's say I start typing, it is now 1:30. Do you see that immediately, or is that on a 30-second delay too? Hoping it's immediate. Okay. Now this was connected. I need to figure out how to make Lita do the thing. Did you see it on chat? Okay, so that's something at least. Let's... Thanks, James. Connect to Commander. This is all reasonable, yes? That's good, yeah. Maybe 20 seconds ahead? I guess I could check and see if AT&T would give me more upload. I wouldn't mind bumping my AT&T account up a little bit. Doodly-doo. International paper. Yeah. What hour are we on now? Our title. Our Make personas talk by chat. Oh, AT&T. Yeah, well, I can't do both. I mean, I guess I could. i7s. I think I might technically have an i7, but it's a mobile. Yeah. I don't know. This machine's a couple years old. It's pretty sweet, but obviously not a ginormous 5,000 core gaming machine. Uh-oh. 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 Is my network screwing up? Hey, Rebo. How are you? I'm going to do a quick check on my network to make sure it's not crapped out. Made it not yellow, but half the people here are mods, so people. Gonna do a quick mesh test to make sure my cool network hasn't crapped out on me streaming all day. Don't care. Alright, what we need to do is have this Sonos. Yeah, that's what we need to happen. How are we going to send a message into this thing? How? This sounds like a trap. I'm being hacked. Totally being hacked. Hacked. BE. Ether. Hacking my comms. Crazy, man. I can't do it right now. Is the stream still going? We can not. That link seems kinda. But anyone here who's looking freelance work is welcome to PM Primo. Anyway. Alright, we're gonna upgrade the pipes later. Looks like we have okay internet right now. I'm not ready to restart the network. Okay, interesting that my network craps out every time. Probably running some Bitcoin mining magic. I don't trust strangers. Yeah, so we have to figure out how to inject a message from regular Sonos magic into this. Do I have to make a client? No, I don't have to do that, do I? Fey, WebSocket, and let's just say we can make a class variable that's always there. Alright, let's go back to Fey WebSocket docs. How do I emit things? What are we listening to? a minute. How do you send? I need to send to all the sockets, right? Send. Is it like a broadcast? It used to be a broadcast. How does one broadcast to all? Yes.send, right? Do I need to track the sockets? What do y'all think? Do I need to make a new socket for every connection, or where does it go? Let's do fake WebSocket new. Hanging on the sofa. Yeah. Where does it go, man? Where is it stored? And how do I make new ones? Alright, that's what we'll do. Sockets. Where's my route? Explorer. Now we're going to find out who all's connected. Who will connect? It died. C++ got mad, adding existing descriptor. Well, maybe. Nope, yeah, I did that twice, didn't I? Okay, that didn't kill it. Come on. Oh, because it's a separate class, isn't it? Damn. I need something I can access. Or do I? Do I need to be able to do sockets? I don't know. I need a quick bathroom break, y'all. Stickies. Where's my stickies? Oh yeah. Quick break back in 5. It is now 1:11 Central. Objective, figure out how to inject an event into the existing socket connections when Lita catches an inbound chat message at the Explorer. Yeah, the fault was called consolidation. You read that. Anyone got any ideas? Not yet, but we'll get there. Get some ice. Yep, still got time. Okay, it's about time to relax. I'm gonna lower the table so I can sit, make it through the next 3 hours or so. By the way, I told my kid I'd log out around 4 to go pick her up at ballet. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it? I hope somebody saw that. Okay. We need app. We need to emit events. Maybe it's just asking Faye what's up. Yeah, let's do that. Is Faye running anything? Back. Can't hardly see with the open door. And Norbert's not even going. I'm gonna close the door because Norbert's not using the open door like he used to. He's just chilling on the couch. This nasty weather must have him sleepy. Alright. Oh, my hat. I'm gonna lose this. Y'all ever see that made-for-TV movie in the 80s with the little kid who's got a cool hat that somebody gave him? And he was running something like the Special Olympics or whatever, and his hat fell off, and he turned around to get it and lost the race. Very sad. Very sad. Alright. App's just a lambda. It's never going to have anything. But Faye WebSocket exists, right? Faye? Hey, Norbert. Hey, buddy. Yeah, come up here. Help me do some debugging. I want a new WebSocket. Oh yeah, self dot. What in the world? Alright, come on, boy. You don't break this thing. Put you down. It's okay. Is this the music? I guess so. Alright, so let's say... we're in the Explorer. Did I break it? I didn't want to break it. sockets. I realize this is redundant, but it's not really the point, is it? Okay, no big deal. Unloaded, register fed. Close. How do you remove a single element? Remove element from array Ruby. Delete if. Okay, cool. Sockets, delete, diff. Cool. Well, that's interesting. Can't forget anything. Duh. Good. Okay. Now listening to Lita and receiving messages. Cool. Oh yeah. Make a new repo, I guess. Sonos proxy for Lita. Socket. Hello, ship. Hello. Hi there. How are you today? We're on a bit of a delay, but I see it. Hey folks, yeah, I guess I've started getting a little quiet and mumbling into the microphone. Remind me and I'll blast your ears out with more yelling. And that'll be more engaging for everybody. Doing good. I am excited because I'm about to ship this thing off to do an end-to-end test with my buddy. If I can find either of them. Dudes. Alright, that worked. Yeah, the chatbot is going to be able to send messages to a local Sonos at his house, and then the Sonos will play out loud. Yes, it's a 20-second lag. Can't figure if I need a capture card, faster uplink, or both. Any idea how I can debug? I'm not as comfortable twitching as I am coding. Yeah, I had earlier and people didn't like it. Now I'm at 30 and other people. I'm tempted to try whatchamacallit. Xfinity. So. Okay, maybe. I mean, if you look at my resolution here, wait, can I change it live? That's incredible. If I turn off the display capture, can I change the video now? Video output. No, I gotta turn off the whole stream if I want to tweak it. I think I'm gonna do that next time. Yeah, I mean, if I streamed at 480, would it matter? I could try it. I still got 2.5 hours. What the hell? 720 or 480? Yeah, I already stopped it once. I'm gonna restart it. Hold on, everybody. Restarting stream at lower fidelity. Maybe 720 or 480.